Samsung has announced two new Galaxy Book devices, the Galaxy Book Pro and Galaxy Book Pro 360 with a touchscreen convertible. They start at $999.99 and $1,199.99. The Galaxy Books are the Samsung's line of laptop designed for more connected operations. It's thin, light and intended to work with the rest of the company's products, including its smart home tech. This year, the company highlighted the seamless operation between Windows and Android. Overall, it now sounds like eerily-like Apple's ecosystem, but with the extra perks of the touchscreens that make it even more phone-like. The Galaxy Book and the Galaxy Book Pro models were designed in conjunction with Microsoft and Intel, and bear Intel's Evo branding for its current gen. The light and the responsive laptops incorporating Thunderbolt 4 up to 11th gen Core i7, Wi-Fi 6E and processing optimized for conferencing. Intel says it's the thinnest Evo design yet. Samsung claims they weigh only 2.2 pounds including the charger. While the Galaxy Book Pro is a clamshell, the Pro 360 is a 2-in-1. Both come in 13 and 15 inches and gold, blue or bronze color. Both incorporates OLED displays with Samsung's built-in low blue light technology. The Pro 360 supports the S Pen stylus, which is bundled. They have Mac OS-like live wallpaper that changes with the time of the day. Samsung claims you will be able to get 16 hours of work time out of the denser battery and up to 8 hours and 30 minutes charge. While they are optimized for portability and have updated noise cancellation microphones, they still have only 720 megapixel webcams, and White Pro 360 incorporates 5G. While 15-inch Galaxy Book also bumps up to 11th gen Intel Core CPUs and adds 4G LTE connectivity. A new Galaxy Book Odyssey goes with RTX 3050 Ti and 11th gen Tiger Lake. They won't be available in the US initially, either through Odyssey is expected to start shipping here in August. The last Galaxy Books were announced in October 2019, but most didn't ship until May 2020. The new models are shipping much sooner. There's a lot of syncing among the Galaxy devices via apps. There's individual apps for everything, just like a phone, though they are the same as on the phones. The photos natively integrate with OneDrive. Use your Samsung tablet as a second screen and drag-drop files between devices. So what do you think? Samsung has nailed its new touch laptops, or still it needs something more or missing something yet?